To pair the DJI MIC MINI to the good old Insta360 1X2, you have to do as following. It's real simple. Let us turn off some lights here. Okay, on the screen you pull down this way and put on these AirPods, and then it will search. Let me put on the microphone first, and then you press this button for a few seconds until it starts blinking. Not green, it should blink blue. Press one more time. There. When you see the blue and green. If you don't succeed the first time, then you have to get out of the menu. Try one more. And here we found it. And there it is connected. Then you will get a tiny icon to the left there, which shows that there is some AirPods connected. And now the sound comes from this one. You can also see that the blinking is now solid blue, which means it's connected to this one. The only drawback is that every time you turn it off and turn it back on, it will not auto-connect, at least as far as I have seen. It's blinking blue, indicating Bluetooth mode, but to make it connect, you have to pull down the menu, go to the AirPods, wait a few seconds, and there we go. And then it is back on the front, and the microphone is stopped blinking, and now it's connected again.